First click on Download MetaTrader below and you must download from TT Corp. If download from another broker will not work with TT Corp. Once click on Download, this window will pop up to save to your computer. Depending how you have your computer set up, it will save to your computer downloads folder. Depending on which browser is used, you can also just install the setup app from here. Then would not have to look in download folder of your computer. Once you have clicked on the install app, this window will appear. Simply click on Next. Just wait for it to finish the install. When app is done, click on the button that says Finish. Click on the live server, then click Scan. Once done scanning, click the Next button. Follow the arrows in order 1, 2 and 3. Now first click in Circle for existing account, then in Login put in your trading account number you created in TT Corp and password for the trading account. Make sure in the server box it says Live Account, not a demo, then click Next. Now you're done and MT4 is installed on your computer.